Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, May 16. $3.5 million is being spent to implement an urban traffic management system in the Kingston metropolitan area this fiscal year. The Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica, National Works Agency, and the Ministry of Transport and Mining are collaborating on the project. The centrally controlled intelligence transportation system will include an integration platform for traffic monitoring, operation, planning, and modeling. It also involves traffic controllers, detectors, and other equipment to provide real-time traffic counts and patterns. Minister of Science, Energy and Technology, Favour Williams, made the announcement during her sectoral presentation in Parliament Tuesday.
Pretty soon, you won't have to idle your engines at traffic lights as long as you've been doing, which means more money in your pockets. The urban traffic management system is expected to synchronize traffic lights across the Kingston metropolitan area. This is a US $3.5 million program on the PCJ's Energy and Efficiency Program and is expected to save thousands of barrels of oil.
Training will be provided for the National Works Agency employees who will be involved in the operation and maintenance of the system. Meanwhile, government is spending more than $1 billion this fiscal year to reduce the cost of electricity supply to the public sector. Major energy retrofits are slated for hospitals, schools, and other entities under the PCJ's Energy Management and Efficiency Program. Initial work is to begin on lighting upgrade projects at 50 public sector facilities, including 6 hospitals.
Among other things, the interventions at these institutions will improve the installation of energy-efficient lighting, solar photovoltaic technology, and solar water heating systems. These upgrades are expected to reduce collective electricity demand, which at current rates translates to more than $41 million in savings.
$11.4 million has been spent by the Universal Service Fund, USF, to establish a community access point at the Marvally Primary and Junior High School in St. Andrew. It was commissioned into service by Technology Minister Favour Williams on Wednesday. The computer lab is outfitted with 29 computers, desks, chairs, printers, air conditioning units, and other infrastructure. It will be opened on Saturdays to accommodate persons over the age of 50.
I want to applaud USF for the critical work that they're doing in extending the infrastructure to Jamaicans in unserved and underserved communities to have easy and reliable access to the internet. And they've done some good work in terms of the community access points that they've put in and the retrofitting with the solar energy systems.
The Marvally Primary and Junior High Community Access Point brings to 310 the number of computer labs established by the USF. In other news, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says government is examining all possible ways to increase access to potable water nationally. He told Parliament on Tuesday that this will be done by increasing storage as well as improving water generation, production, and distribution. Pointing out that water works along the Hagley Park and Constant Spring roads are nearing completion, Prime Minister Holness says these upgraded transmission mains will provide more reliable water distribution.
With the works now underway, we are building the resilience of our water infrastructure. We are hoping that when the heavens open up and the rains do come, we will be in a better position to save this precious resource and to improve the conditions of our people.
The Prime Minister revealed that the National Water Commission was 28 million gallons below its daily distribution capacity for the corporate area and sections of St. Catherine. As a result, the state will be digging more wells on the eastern end of the island, building a new water catchment facility at the Hermitage Reservoir, and conducting dredging at the Mona Dam. Phase 2 of the Yalas water supply system is also being reviewed to channel water to the Mona Reservoir from the Yalas and Swift rivers. And finally, applications are now open for the Hart Trust NTA's Graduate Work Experience Program. Hart's Acting Senior Director of Community Service, Ronique Roden, says the program is targeting 500 graduates of tertiary institutions this year. Applicants should possess at least a National Vocational Qualification of Jamaica certification, Level 4 certification, or associate degree from the Heart Trust NTA, or a bachelor's degree or equivalent certification from an accredited tertiary institution. The Graduate Work Experience Program will place successful applicants within public and private sector entities for 6 months, paying them a fortnightly stipend of $19,100. Interested graduates are required to submit a completed application form along with proof of qualification, TRN, NIS number, birth certificate, any government-issued identification card or school ID, and one passport-sized photograph that's no more than 6 months old. The application process, which is ongoing throughout the year, is open to persons between 17 and 29 years of age and 17 to 34-year-old individuals living with disabilities. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.